Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks.
School closure amid heavy rain. Telangana schools to remain closed due to heavy rainfall on 26th July and 27th July 2023. The announcement comes after the state was put on red alert for very heavy to extremely heavy rainfall by the Indian Meteorological Department, IMD. Telangana Chief Minister K.C. Rao instructed the State Education Minister Sabita Indra Reddy to announce holidays for all educational institutions on 26th July and 27th. The announcement comes after the incessant rain in the state for the last couple of days. Telangana's neighbouring state, Karnataka, has also announced the close of schools and colleges for 26th July 2023. All schools and colleges in Dakshin Kannada will remain closed due to heavy rainfall. Other states including Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Gujarat have also announced school closures amid incessant rainfall. For more updates related to school activities, stay tuned with TOI. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.